Today I'm making Cranberry Candle Salad. Today's vintage recipe comes from a Hellmann's Mayonnaise ad sometime between the 50s and 60s, with a more recent print of the ad coming in the 70s. If you squint your eyes, these could perhaps pass as candles. However, the original Hellmann's ad looks more like some kind of ham or meaty aspic. This recipe was divided in two to get 3 to 4 candles rather than 8. You can turn on subtitles by pressing the CC button, or check out the full list of ingredients in the video description. To make these festive candles, we're going to need half a cup of boiling water, a 3-ounce package of yellow, red, or orange fruit-flavored gelatin, 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt, half a tablespoon of lemon juice, a 1/4 cup of Hellmann's real mayonnaise, 8 ounces of whole cranberry sauce, half of an apple or orange, peeled and diced, 2 tablespoons of chopped walnuts, and some birthday candles. Let's watch how to make these candles. The basis will be cranberry sauce and gelatin. Heat the cranberry sauce in a warm pot, a few minutes until completely melted, stirring carefully so as to not disturb the whole cranberries. The warmed cranberries give off a lovely aroma. Was that a splatter of sauce? False alarm. Once the sauce has been completely melted into a liquid form, we're going to carefully strain the hot berry sauce, using a spatula to gently push all the sauce through, and set the berries aside. Next, we're going to add the boiling water into the hot juice, along with the packet of gelatin. Need a hand? You've got it. Pour all its contents out into the bowl, and stir to dissolve entirely. Add the salt and lemon juice, mix it all up, and chill until thickened, about an hour. Just enough time to make some memories and put the finishing touches on your tree. Wonderful! Now that the gelatin has thickened, enough to mount slightly when dropped from a spoon, we're going to add in our Hellmann's mayonnaise and beat it in with a rotary beater till light and fluffy. Now, we're adding the diced apple, walnuts, and whole cranberries to the fluffy salad base. I had my spoon ready for some sticky berries this time, but it was unnecessary. Fold in the fruit and nuts gently, and prepare to divide the mixture into 6-ounce fruit juice cans. Neatly scoop the salad into the cans. Whoops. Make a mess? Better clean that up first. Wipe off any sticky messes, then beat onto a surface to remove any sneaky air pockets. Chill for 4 hours or longer. Your cranberry candle should be solid and bouncy. Present your holiday candle salad with some mixed greens, and unmold by inverting and removing the bottom lid. Uh-oh, looks like that can opener didn't do the job. What are you going to do now? Let's give it another shot. There you go. Did you expect it to just slide out? That's not going to fit. Any other bright ideas? That'll work. If the candle doesn't immediately slide out of its can mold, some light shaking should do the trick. Beautiful. Our cranberry candle wiggles and jiggles like a good gelatin should. Some slight adjustments to keep it level, and some jiggling for a laugh. But wait, this isn't a candle yet. Rather than wasting half a candle as the recipe states, let's insert a whole birthday candle into the top of our candle, gently pushing through the fruit and nuts along the way. Final step. Light. These elegant candles will have you being asked to serve them again and again. Who would dream a salad so impressive could be so easy to make? The delicate creaminess and fresh flavor of Hellmann's real mayonnaise make it possible. It has a pleasing, gelatinous, yet creamy texture. Let's see, does it still have a pleasant berry scent? No, absolutely not. The mayonnaise really comes through here. Remove the birthday candle and let's give it a try. Speechless. That's just how good this is. It's sweet with a hint of savory. The nuts and fruit bring some nice variety in terms of texture. Perhaps slightly strong on the mayonnaise flavor, but the more you eat, the less you mind it. This is really just like any other creamy fruit salad. Hellmann's also suggests garnishing with, you guessed it, Hellmann's real mayonnaise. Let's try a small spoonful on a bit of candle, and what a lovely, fluffy, curdled texture this mayonnaise has. I can't wait to try it. Such festive colors. Your guests will love this. What's this? It's not bad. The mayonnaise brings a saltiness that mellows out the tartness and sweetness of the berries and transforms it into more of a savory salad dressing. And what about the salad? How does the candle pair with that? Well, it's pretty good, just like any other sweet salad dressing, except all the salad toppings are neatly contained right in the dressing. These candles make for the perfect salad for your holiday dinners in an elegant candle shape. That said, some small changes to the recipe were made to help the candle's structural integrity and flavor. Others' accounts of making this recipe describe a stronger mayonnaise flavor and looser gelatin. To overcome this, the gelatin amount for the halved recipe was doubled. So if you're going to make the full recipe, opt for using 2 packages of flavored jello or adding 1 package of unflavored gelatin to the 1 package of flavored gelatin. These cranberry candles are worth trying, even if only for the entertainment value. Want to show me your results on Instagram? You can find me at Maikoh with 4 H's. If you enjoyed this video or interesting vintage recipes, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and check out my vintage recipes playlist. I upload a vintage recipe the first Thursday of every month. And if you'd like to watch another video, you can click the card over on the right. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you around. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you all next Thursday.